This segment provides information on the use of the Parkrimp 1. The Parkrimp 1 is capable of handling a variety of hose sizes up through the sizes you see listed on the screen. It's important to note that the Parkrimp 1 machine cannot crimp stainless steel fittings. It also requires 115 volts and, most importantly, a system rated for at least 20 amps. To make sure the Parkrimp 1 is properly grounded, be sure to conduct a ground continuity check on the power outlet box. Your Parkrimp 1 machine comes with a serial number for registration purposes. Begin by selecting the right dies. To do this, refer to the Parkrimp decal on the machine. Since this demonstration calls for half-inch hose, the blue die is the right one to use. Also check the die ring information. The Parkrimp decal will note whether to use the silver or black die ring for your hose assembly. Now drop the dies in the Parkrimp 1's die bowl, making sure to leave the gap in front. That makes it easier to remove a bent stem fitting. Next, place the die ring on the dies. Or if you're crimping a bent stem fitting, insert the hose assembly from the bottom and then place the die ring on top of the dies. Since both sides of the die ring are the same, it doesn't matter which side is up. Now insert the hose assembly from the bottom. Adjust it so the bottom of the fitting shell sits on the Park-Align step in the dies. Holding the hose lightly, lower the pusher by pulling the valve handle towards you. Wait until the die ring is bottomed on the base. Then push the valve handle away from you. The pusher will retract, enabling you to remove the hose assembly. It's also a good idea to confirm the crimp diameter for each assembly. You can find the correct diameters on the Parkrimp decal, in the Parker Hose Products Division 4400 catalog, or online at Crimp Source. As the final step, remove any particles in the hose with compressed air and cap if necessary to avoid contamination. And that's the basics of your Parkrimp 1 machine. For more information on the Parkrimp 1's easy setup and operation, refer to the technical manual bulletin that was included with your crimper. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with the Parkrimp difference.